Let's revive the sourdough starter that has been taking a break in the fridge for the past 2 to 3 weeks. I grabbed a clean jar, the unbleached flour, and my starter. And really, there's no secret here. I'm feeding it as if I would any other time. The minor difference here is that I am using slightly warmer water than I usually would. And I'm doing this because my starter is not at room temperature. It is still cold from the fridge. So I'm wanting to activate it more quickly. And I just want to show how easy it is to reactivate your starter once you pull it from the fridge and give it a feed. And this is the starter after about 2.5 hours. This is just to show that you do not have to wait for your starter to come to room temperature. You can pull it right out of the fridge and give it a feed and it's reactivated.